Just 4 years ago, Milwaukee Tool made a strong impact in the outdoor power equipment industry with the announcement of a string trimmer, blower, and hedge trimmer. Since then, we've continued to push the levels of innovation for landscaping professionals with the Quick Lock attachment system and, my personal favorite, the M18 Fuel chainsaw. We spend, literally, thousands of hours researching with the landscape maintenance pros to understand the requirements for performance, durability, and ergonomics. Just a month ago, we announced a new solution for you, which offers a unique way to tackle small diameter pruning and cutting in tight access areas. Joining us to share more about the M12 Fuel Hatchet 6-inch pruning saw is the man behind all of our Milwaukee outdoor power equipment, our very own Tony Buxton.
Hi everyone. Today I am very excited to walk you through our M12 Fuel Hatchet. The hatchet is optimized for small diameter pruning applications and is designed to meet the size, ergonomic, performance, and durability needs of landscape maintenance professionals. When it comes to the cutting tools that are currently available for small diameter pruning, on one end of the spectrum, you have a manual handsaw, which has a slow speed of cut and can be fatiguing to use. On the other end of the spectrum, you have a full-size chainsaw, which has a ton of power, but they're large, heavy, and not very maneuverable in tight access areas. The M12 Fuel Hatchet is filling a gap in the range of cutting tools available for small diameter pruning. Let's take a look at a demonstration in a tight access area that would be very difficult to accomplish with a full-size chainsaw. I'm going to be pruning dead branches from an evergreen tree. With the compact design of the hatchet, it delivers greater maneuverability in these tight access applications, allowing me to access the branch and make a precise, controlled cut. With our M12 Fuel technology, the tool delivers the power to cut 3-inch hardwoods. Now we are going to demonstrate this in a 3-inch oak dowel rod versus a manual handsaw to show the increase in productivity with a reduction in fatigue. Not only is the hatchet able to complete this demanding application, it delivers cutting up to 5 times faster than the manual handsaw. The tool delivers up to 120 cuts in 2-inch oak, a tremendous amount of runtime to complete full applications on a single charge. The M12 Fuel Hatchet delivers a professional feature set, including a full house chain for cleaner cuts and less vibration, an automatic oiler, an easy access chain tensioner, metal bucking spikes, and onboard storage for the scrench. If you have any pruning applications to complete, this is a must-have tool.
When it comes to landscaping work, it's just as important to have a fast sawzall blade for above ground and below ground cutting work, such as root ball cuts and stump removals. Carl Weber is here to share details about a best-in-class pruning and clean wood cutting solution, joining our extensive family of Carbide Teeth blades.
I'm here today to introduce to you the new Axe with Carbide Teeth for pruning and clean wood sawzall blade. Whether you need to do some fast, clean wood demolition or general pruning and delimbing applications on the job, this blade will give you the fastest cuts in clean wood with its 3 TPI design. It also features an optimized carbide grade that is designed for root removal applications and to withstand impacts with abrasives such as small rocks, dirt, and sand that wear out current blades on the market today. Whenever cutting underground, we do recommend first that you check for utility lines or other hazards that could be in the way. There's no better way to show off a new blade than with a live demo. To help me out with this root removal application, I'm here with Jake from Worth Services in Wisconsin, and what we've already done is remove the top of the tree and the limbs, and now we're left with the stump. Jake, when you guys are on the job, what equipment do you normally use for a root removal application?
Typically, we're going to bring a skid loader in here, and we're either going to use forks to dig it out or a chain to pull it out.
Okay. And then between the lawn maintenance that you may need after the fact and getting the equipment in position in the first place, you could be looking at 30 minutes to an hour worth of work, right?
Absolutely, yeah, 30 minutes to an hour easily.
Well, then let's see what the new sawzall blade can do. Jake, we got that stump out in one sawzall blade. How'd that feel compared to what you usually do?
Yeah, it was great. I mean, compared to bringing a skid loader out here, and that was about a 10-minute cut. Couple kicks and it came out.
That's awesome. All right, great. So this blade is coming out in September with 6-inch, 9-inch, and 12-inch blade lengths, along with 5 additional carbide sawzall blades and lengths, now allowing us to offer you the best carbide blade for every application.